How to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen. Follow my all steps and watch my video carefully, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start. First, go to Valorant. Search your Valorant in Windows. Open file location. Right click, properties, open file location. Go to here, address bar. Go to Riot Games, Valorant, Live, Shooter Game, Content, Binaries, Win64. Find this. Right click, find the Valorant Win64 shipping. Right click, show more options, properties, compatibility, and check the disable full screen optimization, then apply, then okay. If your Valorant is still not loading, go to here again in Riot Games, Valorant, Live, Shooter Games, Binaries, Win64, then find the Valorant Win64 shipping. Right click again, properties, compatibility, uncheck the disable full screen optimization, then check this, run this program as an administrator, click apply, then okay. And if you still have stuck on loading, go here again to uncheck the run this program as administrator. Then the next thing you will do is go to here, add or remove programs, find Vanguard, click uninstall. If you uninstall the Riot Vanguard, you will have an update here in Valorant, because if you update it, the Vanguard will reinstall Valorant. Here, example, you uninstall the Riot Vanguard. The button here is saying update because it will reinstall your Valorant Riot Vanguard. If still you have that problem, close. Go here again, search Valorant. After you search Valorant, click uninstall. Then if you uninstall it, you can download it on Epic Games or in a official site of Valorant. Valorant here. You can reinstall it by downloading here in playvalorant.com. And if you still stuck in loading, I think you have a problem in Windows Defender. I think there's a files that blocked by Windows Defender. Go to firewall here, virus threat and protection, allow threats, and if you see Valorant file seals, you will allow it. And that's it, guys. I hope I help you in your problem. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.